Welcome back to the beautiful Three Crosses. Today I'm thrilled to present to you this stunning 4-bedroom semi-detached home presented over 3 floors. Enjoy the tour. Nestled on the fringes of the stunning Gower Peninsula, just a stone's throw away from Croyce Primary School and in the catchment area for the renowned Bishopston Comprehensive School, this house is perfect for families. Back garden offers ample space to create distinct areas tailored to your lifestyle. Picture a Mediterranean garden in one corner, a lush turfed area and a raised barbecue and a dining section. What an incredible space to call your own. Now let's talk about my favourite part of the property, the location. Three Crosses offers a lifestyle that's really hard to beat. One of few villages left in Swansea that offers that true village feel. Living in Three Crosses means embracing a lifestyle full of adventures and community spirit. Call the number on screen now. See you soon.